When we want to talk about some actions that we are very certain about, we are sure something has happened or it is going to happen, we use the modal verb must to express that. Come inside and get warm. You must be freezing outside. Or, he must live near because he always comes to work on foot. When we are absolutely sure that something is not possible and cannot happen, we use the modal verb can in the negative form, can't, to express this. She can't be pregnant, she's only 15. Or, it can't be far away now, we have been driving for hours. When we think that something is possible to happen, but we are not quite sure, we can use modals like might, may, or could to express that in a sentence. There might be some milk left, but I'm not sure. He could be home by now, why don't you call him and check? Or, we'll try to get there early, but we may arrive late if there is a lot of traffic.